Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I actually got a whole bunch of stuff from at Lucifer's Blade right here on YouTube. This is a friend of the channel. He has sent me a lot of really cool stuff. A lot of really fun content has come directly from this person. So please follow him. Please subscribe to him on YouTube. Really nice guy. Thanks so much. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thank you so much to my patrons who are supporting this channel. What do we have here? We have something new from Cold Steel. Finally. God, I cannot tell you how long I have been itching to open something new from Cold Steel, and something ridiculous, right? I have something ridiculous for you today. And I think it's completely available, so you can just buy it if you want to, which, you know, not everything I show is like that. So this is nice, right? It's very refreshing. Check out the links in the description for this and other Cold Steel products. Oh my God. Oh, that's funny. This is the knife that caused the issue, the naming issue with that other one that I reviewed a while back. So this is the Cold Steel Mayhem. Oh my gosh. This is such a Cold Steel. I haven't even opened it up yet, and it is such a Cold Steel knife. Let's get a look at this. I'm certain that it comes in a number of different configurations. That's nice that it comes with a left-handed clip. I'm certain it comes in a number of different configurations as far as like colored scales, right? So this is layered red and black peel ply texture G10. Looks like they have this pinned to here through the... Oh, this is the new thing. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I thought that this was a... I thought this was a triad lock. Oh boy, cool. That's cool. This is such a ridiculous thing, man. Oh, yeah, should we go ahead and open it up? Okay, let's do it. So, the reason it's so funny is because I've gotten used to all of Cold Steel's gigantic stuff opening like the triad lock. And listen, there's nothing wrong with the triad lock. In fact, it's amazing. It's an incredible lock, right? That lock is so strong, you'll break every other part of your knife before you break that lock. That's how overkill that lock durability is, right? But man, their marketing is good. It's got a hold of all of us. Even those of us who are aware that it's just, you know, it's marketing. That's fine. But this operates... Is this the Atlas lock? Yeah, it operates very similarly to, you know, the Demco Shark lock. Golly, I wonder how that went down. Okay. Ease of manipulation. You do have to pull it quite a ways. If you pull it right here, it's not going to go anywhere. You pull it all the way back, it will absolutely fall shut. How they managed to make this even kind of safe, because here's the thing. On a knife like this, a blade like this, you got to make sure you know where your fingers are. If you're holding it like this and you release it, you're going to pay a lot more for that hospital bill than you did for the knife, right? But that's an irony that knife folks love to dance with, for sure. This actually is very easy to manipulate. This might be one of... Well, that's real. I'm really taking a chance there. The fact that this made it, the fact that you're watching it, like for everybody that's like, you know, on the other seat, like he's gonna get his fingernails out. The fact that it made it up to YouTube means that I made it through the rest of this video without hurting myself, right? Unless there's a hard edit and I'm in band-aids towards the end, right? Keep watching to find out. But yeah, no, this is probably the biggest knife that is as easy to manipulate as it is. I don't think I've ever actually handled a large knife like this that is so wieldy. But it is so... You can see how I'm going to be honest with you. I'm intentionally stopping it a little short because doing that really makes me feel nervous. All right, I got my fingers out of the way. Here we go. This is so stupid. It's so fun, though. That's so cool. I love this. And, you know, I'm going to guess... You know, based on what the Atlas lock is obviously modeled after, you're going to get all the same strength, right? So all that's being added here is ease of manipulation, arguably sacrificing a little bit of safety, and it's only because of how big this knife is. The nice thing about the Triad lock is it's a little bit more manual. You have a little bit more time with our tiny, dumb human brains, right, that screw up all the time. You got a little bit more time to get your fingers out of the way because it's a bit more of a manual process, right? We can get fancy with it, and we can do this crap right here and then turn if we want to. But this is a little faster, right? So when you're walking the back alleys, right? Those of you who view your lives as an animated Street Fighter movie, you walk in the back alleys and you get attacked by the dumpster clan. There's like a guy with rollerblades and he's got spiky hair, and another dude with a flail, right? And they got like the jackets that are more like vests, and they got if that's how you imagine your life, right? Oh my gosh, you're going to be ready to go with this thing. You're going to need the speed, the tactical speed. Everybody thinks I'm joking. You guys all think I'm joke. Like there's no way that there are that there are people out there who are that goofy. Oh my God. Please go explore the comments in my YouTube shorts. Please go explore those comments. You will laugh until you cry. The number of goofball ding-dong weirdos that pop into the comments under those shorts. The stuff they say is mind-blowing. If it were just one or two people, I'd be like, these guys are trolling. They're in the hundreds. There are armies of people out there who just are completely clueless. Please, if you want to laugh, find some of the videos, find some of my YouTube shorts that have a gigantic number of views, right? In the millions. Go look through the comments. Oh my God. It's pathetic. But anyways, yeah, on the very, very rare occasion that you will have to defend yourself with a folding knife, right? And you actually happen to have this on your person, right? Now, this is once in multiple lifetimes, realistically, right? But if that were to occur, this would certainly not be the worst object to have with you, This will, you can get this out pretty quick, right? And it's good to go. That is a nasty looking blade. Very cool though. I'm so much more. I literally just thought this was a Triad lock, right? I like their Atlas lock. I mean, I know where it comes from, right? But as a reviewer, I do like it, right? I just really want it on something smaller. You know what I want? I want them to do the American Lawman with, why did I say it like that? Lawman. I want the American Lawman. That's how a real American says it. Huh? If you're going to pronounce the Taiwanese-made American Lawman correctly, you say Lawman, all right? I'm not going to be messing around with this lawman stuff. No, it's Lawman. Get rid of that upward inflection. It goes down because you're done. You're done speaking at that point. There's nothing left on the plate, all right? We finish our plates. American Lawman. I want to see that because that's a great EDC. Now, I want to see the 8. This isn't going to happen, right? They've got some smaller knives, right? I just want more of an EDC knife and less of a, chopping down pig carcasses. As fun as that all is, I want to see something a little bit more practical, a little smaller with that would work. But this is very cool and very fun, and it probably doesn't have an absolutely insane price tag. The pocket clip looks hilarious. This is the silliest thing. This, number one, you got freaking Free Willy just ready to jump out of the water out of your pocket. That's exactly what that looks like. Evil Free Willy coming out of the blood ocean. This pocket clip is just so tiny and silly, but I mean, it'll work, right? Yeah, and there's a little lanyard hole there, so you can whip it out. Cool. Can I reverse flick it? Oh, God. Real quick before we end it. You totally can. Gah! I have so much power in that middle finger, you have no idea. It gets a workout. Anyways. Oh, man, I gotta be careful about what I say. Anyways, this was fun. I'm almost certain this is available. I'll link it down below. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, so you guys can expect a full comprehensive review a few weeks down the road from now. Thank you so much to Lucifer for sending this in. I love that he sends his stuff. It makes it super interesting. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.